It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. We are on stocking stuffer alert. I just got the email. Oh, these are stuck together. These are the ones that were in the gift pack that they had the gooey stuff on. But that's okay. I'm still going to use these. We're having a mini sale, stocking stuffer sale tomorrow. They're going to do 250. Have we ever done 250 before? I'm thinking 250 is a really low price. I thought they were usually 295. I don't know. Someone else is going to comment on here. I got to look back through my old videos and stuff, but I don't think we ever did 250. I'm like, oh my goodness. I need to get to Bath and Body Works tomorrow because in stores you need the email code, but online you can just use the code stock up, but you can pay shipping. So I don't think they're going to do free shipping. So either do the BOPUS buy online, pick up in store, or go into the store. So over 100 options. We got to go over this. Oh my gosh. So this means that you can buy 10 items for what? $25? That's really good because you can get teacher gifts, you can get office gifts, you can get stocking stuffers, and it includes the faceted, which are really pretty. So these are normally $9.95. So you have your winter candy apple right here, which you know how much I love my winter candy apple this year. I don't know. I need some of these minis. These are so cute. Vanilla Bean Noel in the green one. This is a little bit stronger this year. I'm digging it. Smells good to me. And then we have the Twisted Peppermint in the pink. I love Twisted Peppermint. It's just the right enough, the right amount, the right enough. That makes no sense. I'm getting tired, you guys. It's got the good stuff in it. It's got the peppermint. It's creamy peppermint. Also golden berry mistletoe, which is not so good for me. I don't know. Also includes the hand sanitizer spray, the frosted coconut snowball in the travel size body cream. So the travel sizes, they're super cute. They're about this big, and they're normally $8.95. $2.50. This is another good reason to get the minis. So say you haven't shopped at all for Christmas and you want to try each one of these scents, get the minis. You're only going to pay $2.50. Strawberry snowflakes. That one's gonna fly. I have a feeling these minis are just gonna fly. The tiny little moisturizing body wash. They're calling it moisturizing body wash. It's shower gel. That's what it is. It's shower gel. I don't like those. They're kind of cute to gift. The problem though is like in the shower, they last like 2 times. I'm not a fan. Let's see here. Bright Christmas Morning. In the travel size Jolly Gingerbread Village. If you haven't had it yet and you want to try it, if you want to experience the timber, go ahead and try it. Snowflakes and Cashmere. I need to review that one. The hand cream includes the Christmas hand cream. I don't have any Christmas hand cream for this year. I haven't gotten any yet. I may get some hand cream. Also, I'm going to put a screenshot up of the Luminous Travel Size Diamond Shimmer Mist. It's so cute. I love this. It's adorable. I want it just because it's cute. Pure Wonder. Luminous. Sweet Whiskey. They got some fall hand soap in there. Fall Travel Size. The Sunrise Woods. Let me see what else we have. Let's see. Oh, the men's care includes the men's care. The eucalyptus spearmint, those mini mists in the aromatherapy, those are good. Coffee and whiskey hand cream in the stars. Let's see here. Oh, vanilla buttercream in the hand cream. That's a good one. 1,000 Wishes, champagne toast, lavender vanilla travel size oil mist is included. So basically, the minis, the shower gel, the spray, and the cream. We don't have mini lotions anymore, do we? I'm not seeing the mini lotions. And then like the mini diamond shimmer mist. So that's what is basically included. Does include men's, includes aromatherapy. I'm not seeing anything unusual on the list. A strawberry pound cake in those cute little minis from last spring. Are we ever getting new strawberry pound cake packaging? I have no idea if we are. So anyway, over 100 items, 250. This is definitely a run don't walk event. It's that blue light special thing. Don't wait for Black Friday. Don't wait for Cyber Monday. You're not going to get a better deal than you are going to get tomorrow on the minis. 250 is like fabulous. So stock up. I need to either order or go in the store. Now I'm like, Winterberry Wonder too. That's the other one. I think it's like everything that they have the minis in, which is exciting. I'm feeling good right now, by the way. I've got the whole trio going. Twisted Peppermint, Winter Candy Apple, and Vanilla Bean Noel. I'm digging this. So let me know for shopping tomorrow. Wanted to give everyone a heads up tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.